Hi, my name is Cody Thomas, owner and operator here at GlassRenu, and I'd like to take a moment and welcome you to the GlassRenu family. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the GlassRenu scratch removal system and kind of explain what the different components are used for, how you're going to use them, and why they're actually in the system. It's important to note that if the item is not in the system, it's not needed to restore glass. So let's take a look and see what's housed inside this ballistic nylon case. Starting in the top left-hand corner, the first thing you're going to notice is a rasp file. The rasp file is used to restore and refresh the surface of your polishing felts during the polishing process. It's very important that you not allow your polishing felts to become caked with compound and that you keep them roughed up from time to time. Directly in front of the rasp file, you're going to run into your Makita grinder. GlassRenu uses a Makita Model 9227C grinder. And basically this is going to be the main tool that you're going to use during the restoration process. Directly in front of the Makita grinder, you're going to find your wire brush. The wire brush is used to refresh the surface of your renew discs. It's important to note though that we don't want to actually brush the surface of the disc, but rather we want to strike it with the wire brush to dislodge any caked in glass stock. In the center of the case, you're going to have a storage bin, and the first thing that's going to jump out at you, of course, is the GlassRenu instruction manual. This bifold that's laminated has everything you need to do in a step-by-step form to perform any kind of repair that you're going to need to do. Additionally, in the bag that the instruction manual is housed in, you're going to find an instructional DVD. This instructional DVD has a number of videos on it, ranging on everything from demos of how to use the system to step-by-step instructional videos. We also make sure to include videos that explain the concepts of pricing and marketing the service as it is a new service. Lastly, in the instruction manual baggie, you're going to find the Makita 9227C warranty card. It's important that when you get your system, you fill out this card and send it into Makita. Should something happen to your grinder on a job site or at some point in the future, it's important to know that you can get it repaired for free by Makita. Looking further into the center storage bin, it's important to note that your serial number for your system is located right here. And this number is important when you call in for technical help. From time to time, our service technicians may ask you for the serial number of the system. If you don't remember it offhand, you can always go back to your case and get it there. Every GlassRenu system ships with 11 sleeves of our most commonly used renew discs. We want to make sure that when you get your system, you've got a good mix of renew discs available so you can really tackle any type of job from day one. Additionally, in the storage bin, you're going to find one bottle of GlassRenu polishing solution and one bottle of GlassRenu finishing solution. The polishing solution is used on the GlassRenu felts, of which you will find three: a 3-inch, a 5-inch, and a 6-inch, also located in the storage area. It's important to note that there is no 8-inch felt. Despite the fact that we do have an 8-inch backing pad and 8-inch renew discs, there's a number of reasons we've opted not to provide 8-inch polishing felts. Lastly, in the storage bin in the center, you're going to find a dust mask that's rated N95. For your safety, GlassRenu recommends that on every repair you wear at a minimum a dust mask with an N95 respirator value. Moving on in the case, housed directly next to the storage bin, you're going to find your 4 backing pads. You have an 8-inch, a 6-inch, a 5-inch, and a 3-inch backing pad. These backing pads thread onto the grinder and offer a hook loop or Velcro style interface with all the renew discs as well as the polishing felt. It's important to note that when you are doing a repair, you use the proper backing pad to the size of renew disc that you are using. Directly in front of the backing pads, you're going to find a non-contact laser temperature gun. During the process of restoring glass, the GlassRenu system will heat up the surface temperature of the glass, and it's important that we're able to monitor it from time to time during the repair. Lastly, you're going to find a nice little Allen wrench that's been pushed into the case. This Allen wrench is used to make minor adjustments to the handle on the grinder, or should you desire to remove the handle from the grinder, as some users do when they first start out, this is the tool that will allow you to do that. Again, everything in this system is in this system for a reason. It's something that you're going to need when restoring glass. If it's not in the case, you don't need it. If you have any questions about individual components of the GlassRenu system, the GlassRenu system in general, or anything that isn't clear in the instruction manual or instructional DVD, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 888-769-0001. Again, I'd like to thank you for joining the GlassRenu family. My name's Cody Thomas, and let's get out there and restore some glass.